Start with the magic circle and chain 4. Now make 20 treble crochets into this circle. Over twice, insert hook into the magic circle and pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and lastly yarn over and pull the last 2. That's 1 treble crochet made. Repeat this until you have 20 trebles. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch on top of the first stitch. That's the first treble crochet. Chain 4, 1 long treble crochet into the same stitch, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same stitch and pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first loop. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and finally yarn over and pull through the last 2. That's 1 long treble crochet made. Chain 4 and make a slip stitch into the same stitch. One slip stitch into the next stitch. Now we'll repeat the same for the second ear. Chain 4, 1 long treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert hook into the same stitch and pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, lastly yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Chain 4 and make a slip stitch into the same stitch. 1 slip stitch into each of the next 10 stitches or until you reach the middle stitch. Chain 40, 1 double crochet cluster stitch into the second chain from the hook, 1 into this one, yarn over, insert hook and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Do not finish this stitch, repeat this 2 more times. Four loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops. Chain 4 and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. Now continue with 1 slip stitch into each of these chain stitches. And now continue with 1 slip stitch into each of the remaining stitches. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch into this first stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.